Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a clock using a paper plate. First, gather your essential materials: one sturdy paper plate, a trusty pair of scissors, a pencil, and vibrant markers or crayons. You will also need one brass fastener and a small piece of cardstock, which will become your clock hands. Remember, a ruler will be quite useful for ensuring precision in your design. Begin by gently folding your paper plate in half, then in half again. This helps locate the exact center and the 12, 3, 6, and 9 positions. Unfold the plate and use your pencil to lightly mark these 4 main numbers. Now, with your ruler, carefully space out the remaining 8 numbers, ensuring they are evenly distributed between your initial marks. Finally, clearly write all 12 numbers, from 1 through 12, using your colorful markers. Next, take your cardstock and cut out 2 distinct clock hands. Ensure the hour hand is noticeably shorter and slightly wider than the minute hand for easy identification. Carefully poke a small hole through the base of each hand and another directly through the very center of your paper plate. Finally, insert the brass fastener through both hands, then through the plate. Secure it firmly by flattening the prongs at the back. Now comes the exciting part: decorating your unique clock face. This is your chance to really make it your own. Use different colored markers, glitter glue, or even small stickers to add flair around the numbers and the edges. You can draw fun shapes, sparkling stars, or even little pictures that reflect your personality. Let your creativity shine and transform your paper plate into a truly one-of-a-kind timepiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.